3-minute flicks. Entertaining, educating, and enlightening.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of snowflakes. Those delicate, intricate ice crystals that fall from the sky and blanket our world in a shimmering white wonderland. Have you ever wondered how these little masterpieces are formed and why each one is so uniquely beautiful? Well, you're in for a treat because today we'll unravel the mystery of snowflake formation and explore the science behind their stunning designs. To understand the magic of snowflakes, let's start with the basics of their formation. Snowflakes begin their journey in the clouds, where water vapor undergoes a fascinating transformation. When the temperature is below freezing, water vapor condenses onto tiny ice nuclei, forming the foundation of a snowflake. As more water vapor freezes onto these nuclei, the snowflake begins to grow. The process is influenced by factors like temperature, humidity, and the specific path the snowflake takes through the cloud. But what truly makes snowflakes extraordinary is the way they grow and the conditions they encounter. Now, let's talk about the exquisite symmetry that defines snowflakes. One of the most enchanting features of snowflakes is their six-fold symmetry, a perfect hexagonal pattern. This hexagonal structure results from the arrangement of water molecules in the ice lattice, a repeating pattern that gives snowflakes their unique shape. As the snowflake grows, it encounters different temperature and humidity conditions in different regions of the cloud, causing each branch to develop independently. This creates the intricate and symmetrical patterns we associate with snowflakes. So, how do snowflakes achieve their breathtaking branching patterns? The answer lies in the complex dance between temperature and humidity. As a snowflake grows, it moves through regions with varying conditions, causing the branches to sprout and develop. The size and shape of these branches depend on the specific conditions the snowflake encounters. The branching process is highly sensitive to changes in temperature and humidity, resulting in the diverse and artistic designs that make each snowflake a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Temperature and humidity play a crucial role in determining the characteristics of a snowflake. Warmer temperatures and higher humidity levels often lead to larger, more complex snowflakes, while colder temperatures and lower humidity result in smaller, simpler design. This sensitivity to environmental conditions is why snowflakes can vary so much in size and shape, even within the same snowfall. Now, let's address the question of why each snowflake is unique. The key lies in the infinite possibilities of growth conditions. With countless variables at play, it's statistically improbable for two snowflakes to follow the exact same path through the atmosphere, encountering the same conditions at every stage of their development. Just like human fingerprints, the individuality of each snowflake is a testament to the limitless combinations of temperature, humidity, and atmospheric factors they experience on their journey from cloud to earth. And there you have it. The magical process behind the formation of snowflakes. Those breathtakingly beautiful and uniquely crafted ice crystals. The next time you catch a snowflake on your glove or see a blanket of snow covering the landscape, remember the intricate dance of temperature, humidity, and atmospheric conditions that brought those delicate wonders into existence.
3-minute flicks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We create new videos weekly.